QuietWarmth is a flexible radiant heating film that is installed below floating floor materials to create warm, comfortable floors. This is a simple installation video to illustrate how easy QuietWarmth is to install. For the complete guide to installing your radiant heat underlayment, please read the installation manual included with each roll of QuietWarmth. While this product is used with many types of floating floors, always check with your laminate flooring manufacturer for any restrictions or limitations they may have with use in conjunction with radiant heat warming systems. QuietWarmth is packaged with everything you need to install your floor fast with minimal tools. From the factory, each roll of QuietWarmth has factory-attached electrical connections on the ends, as well as Kapton insulating discs for use when any cutting or customizing may be desired. You will need some duct tape, a pair of scissors, and a tape measure to help with the rest of the heated film mat install. For additional comfort and greatest operating economy, we recommend the purchase of a floor-sensing thermostat for temperature control. First, roughly map out the heating system configuration. It is good practice to plan your installation using a sketch, marking out your layout pattern of the mats, and planning the position for a floor sensor and main run of electrical connections and thermostat. It is also important to plan the mat positions so the ends of the mats with the factory-installed lead wires are located near the side of the room and wall where the thermostat junction box is located. When diagramming the system plan, care must be taken to ensure that proper clearance is maintained from fixtures which may be already part of the floor or other electrical wiring that is not used in this system. All electrical wiring that will not be accessible after the floor is installed must be completed first. Ensure the heating mats will not be covered by decorative trim, baseboard, or other building structure. Leaving at least 6 inches from the wall to the edge of the heating film mat will allow space to run the wires from the heating mat to the junction box. Once you have a good plan established, thoroughly clean the existing subfloor of any objects or debris. Roll out the radiant heat ready underlayment, covering the entire flooring area. Butt the seams of the underlayment edges together with duct tape. Using the diagram you made earlier, unroll the heating mats in the desired areas of the room. You may cut the mat to shorten the length in order to fit the layout of your plan. When customizing the heating mats, cut through the clear area in between the heating stripes on the dotted lines. And never cut into the actual heating stripe themselves. Insulate the cut ends of the metallic bus bar strips with the Kapton discs that are provided with each roll. Once the heating mat is rolled out, it should be free of any kinks or ripples or creases. Run the wires from each of the mats to the wall where you are planning to have a thermostat mounted. It is important to cut a thin, shallow slot in the underlayment for the wires to rest in. This helps keep the flooring level with no high points. Our recommended thermostats come with a convenient floor sensor. Route the lead wire of the floor sensor to the thermostat junction box. Again, cut a thin, shallow slot into the underlayment and push the sensor wire and sensor down so it is level with the heating mat. Duct tape the floor sensor and lead wire in place in the area at least 2 inches from any heated black stripe of the mat. Do not allow the sensor to contact the black stripes of the heating mat. Cut an area of the underlayment and push the connectors down so they are completely level with the heating mat, and then duct tape in place. Drill or notch a 3/4 inch channel at the wall base so the wire can enter the wall. Run the lead wires through the wall base channel and through the conduit into the 4x4 junction box. Once all of these components are in place, the system should be ready to be hooked up and ready to perform a resistance test with an ohm meter. There is more information on this in the full instruction manual that comes with the kit. Wire the thermostat to the service panel following national and local electrical codes. Follow the thermostat manufacturer's instructions for installation and connections, or call your favorite licensed electrician to complete this task. With QuietWarmth Radiant Heat Film for floating floors, add the ease of gentle heat.